Ever looked up at the moon, that big, beautiful rock hanging in the night sky, and wondered, who owns it? Can you just buy a piece? Maybe you've seen headlines about lunar tourism, companies planning moon bases, or even folks selling plots on the moon. It all sounds pretty wild, right? Well, the truth about who owns the moon is a fascinating story that goes way beyond simple ownership. Let's blast off on a journey to understand the legal landscape of the moon, the history behind it, and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. No single owner, the Outer Space Treaty. First things first, the moon doesn't have a single owner. Buckle up, because this involves a treaty signed by many countries back in 1967 called the Outer Space Treaty. This treaty basically sets the ground rules for how nations can explore and use outer space. Think of it like an international agreement to keep things peaceful and avoid an outer space arms race. Here's the key part. The treaty states that celestial bodies, like the moon, are the province of all mankind. That means any country can explore and use the moon for peaceful purposes, but no one can claim it as their own. So, can you buy moon land? Now, you might have stumbled upon websites selling lunar land. Here's the deal, these claims have no legal standing under the Outer Space Treaty. There's no official system for buying or owning land on the moon. But wait, there's more. The treaty doesn't prevent private companies from operating on the moon. We're seeing a surge in private space companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin, and they're definitely interested in lunar resources. The future of the moon, resources and exploration. The moon holds a treasure trove of potential resources, like water ice trapped in craters and minerals valuable for construction and technology. These resources could be crucial for building a sustainable human presence on the moon or even fueling future space exploration. The question then becomes, how will these resources be managed? There are talks about creating new international agreements to govern the extraction and use of lunar resources. It's a complex issue, but one that needs to be addressed as private companies push further into space. Beyond ownership, collaboration, and innovation. So, while the moon might not have a single owner, the future of lunar exploration is all about collaboration. Imagine international scientific teams working together to establish research bases, private companies offering transportation and infrastructure, and the potential for new discoveries that benefit all of humanity. The moon isn't just a celestial body, it's a symbol of human curiosity and our desire to push boundaries. It's a place where the best minds from around the world can come together to unlock its secrets and create a future where space exploration is accessible to all. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.